I'm going to back for a moment here and talk about etiquette. What's interesting is I had a couple of people, including George, send me an article about, what's been going on, because I know from your responses that many of you use Calendly. And there's many systems like Calendly that are quite good, and they're all becoming almost fully featured relative to each other. So there's a lot of competition there, but they keep adding features. And one of the things that's happening is everybody's starting to use these things, or not everybody, but certainly a lot of people. And some folks are getting annoyed because, I think like these businesses that I was talking about, the same thing can happen on an individual level where, for example, I send a link out and I say, yeah, I'm available, make an appointment with Cimarron. And they click and like, there's nothing for 10 days. And by the way, that's going to be happening to me because I'm going on vacation, So, but if I do that without any context, if I just blindly send a link out and I don't really set expectations, it's kind of annoying and maybe detrimental to our relationship, So typically, personally, I will check my appointment schedule and I'll say, I am available Thursday and Friday, because people will say, oh, I'm available Thursday. But, to pick a good time, you can click here. And I'll also just say, or just let me know what works for you, because some people just don't want to click the link. And I know that. It's just the way life is. And then the Wall Street Journal did something about this as well. And I think that this idea of looking like a jerk, that's a little rough. I think that what happens is that there's a assumption, let's say, that people have when they send you an email. And I'm sure you all get these every single day saying, hey, we have web development services. We have this, we have that. Hey, make an appointment with me. I just got one the other day that says, I'm coming to town, and when would you like to book an appointment with me? We've all seen that. So I think that's more about just people doing very aggressive, let's say, and insensitive invitations. It's not about the technology so much as about the way it's being used.